Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Today I will show you an all-time favorite Bavarian style potato salad with bacon. This potato salad makes not only a great side dish to all German meals, but is a great addition to your next barbecue too. First, you need to simmer the potatoes over medium-high heat until they are firmly done. Let the potatoes cool down. I like to do this in the mornings to make sure the potatoes are easy to peel and cut when I'm ready to prepare the salad. To prepare the salad, cut the onion finely and add to a large bowl. Then peel and cut the potatoes into slices and add them on top of the onions. Finally, chop the pickles. Peel, core and finely chop the apple, then mix it with the lemon juice. Add the apples and the pickles on top of the potatoes. For the bacon vinaigrette, you need to chop the bacon finely and fry it for a couple of minutes. Add the broth to the pan, bring to a boil and add to a mixing bowl. Add the vinegar, sugar, salt, pepper and mustard to the mixing bowl and mix well. Then add the oil to the mixture. Pour the warm bacon vinaigrette over the potato salad. Toss it lightly and serve lukewarm, or allow to rest for about 30 minutes to develop the flavor fully. Guten Appetit!